Welcome back your channel, your book, chapter 2 inverse circular function. We discussed in previous class example of exercise 2.1. Now today we discuss exercise 2.1. Question first. Find the principal value of following. Find the principal value of following. First, sine inverse 1. Second, cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Third, sec inverse minus root 2. Fourth, cosec inverse minus 1. Cot inverse minus 1 by root 3. Tan inverse 1 upon root 3. Find the principal value of following: sine inverse 1, cos inverse minus 1 by 2, sec inverse minus root 2, cosec inverse minus 1, cot inverse minus 1 by root 3, tan inverse 1 upon root 3. Previous class we discussed anyone. Solution. First, let sine inverse 1 equals to theta implies that 1 equals to sine theta. Equation first. We know sine 90 equals to 1. Value of 1 in sine 90 degree. Sine 90 equals to 1. This implies that 1 equals to sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 equals to sine theta. Pi upon 2 equals to sine inverse sine theta. We know sine inverse sine theta equals to theta. This implies that pi by 2 equals to theta. Theta equals to sine inverse 1. This implies that principal value of sine inverse 1 equals to pi by 2. Second, let Similarly, cos inverse minus 1 by 2 equals to theta, implies that minus 1 by 2 equals to cos theta. Value of 1 by 2 in cos, value of 1 by 2 60 degree, cos 60 degree equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 with negative sign, then value of cos negative in second quadrant and third quadrant, then principal value of cos x negative, then principal value of cos inverse, cot inverse and sec inverse in second quadrant. 1 by 2 60 degree, negative sign, then value of negative cos in second quadrant. We know cos pi minus pi by 3 equals to minus cos pi by 3 equals to minus value of cos pi by 3 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 equals to cos pi minus pi by 3 x cos inverse x negative. This implies that x less than 0, then inverse circular function cos inverse, cot inverse x and sec inverse x. Principal value of these lie in interval of second quadrant. We know pi minus pi by 3 equals to minus cos pi by 3 equals to minus 1 by 2. This implies that minus 1 by 2 equals to cos pi minus pi upon 3 equals to cos theta. This implies that cos transfer this side, pi minus pi upon 3 equals to cos inverse cos theta. Three pi minus pi upon 3 equals to theta. Cos inverse cos theta equals to theta. This implies that 2 pi upon 3 equals to theta. Value of theta in second quadrant. This implies that principal value of cos inverse minus 1 by 2 equals to 2 pi upon 3. We know principal value of cos 0 to pi. Principal value of sin inverse x, tan inverse x, cosec inverse x, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Cos inverse x, cot inverse x, sec inverse x, principal value lie in interval 0 to pi. Principal value depend the value of x. Value of x positive, then principal value of all inverse circular function lie in first interval. X is negative, then principal value of sin inverse x, tan inverse x, cosec inverse x lie in fourth quadrant minus 90 to 0, and cos inverse x, cot inverse x and sec inverse x principal value of these lie in second quadrant 90 to pi. X negative, then principal value of second quadrant. X positive, then principal value of first quadrant, 0 to pi by 2. वन मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आपकी प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू का आएगा इन बोर्ड एग्जाम, इसलिए इसको थोड़ा सा अच्छी तरह से तैयार करना है. फाइंड आउट द प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू. Next, third. Let sec inverse minus root 2 equals to theta. Sec inverse x, value of x negative. Then principal value of sec inverse x in second quadrant. This implies that minus root 2 equals to sec theta. Value of root 2 in sec pi by 4, 45 degree. Negative, then second quadrant. We know sec pi minus pi by 4 equals to minus sec pi by 4 equals to minus root 2. Then minus root 2 equals to sec pi minus pi by 4 implies that sec pi minus pi by 4 equals to sec theta implies that pi minus pi by 4 equals to sec inverse sec theta implies that 3 pi by 4 equals to theta. Sec inverse sec theta equals to theta. This implies that principal value of sec inverse minus root 2 equals to 3 pi by 4. Anyone fifth. Let cot inverse minus 1 by root 3 equals to theta. Cot inverse x, value of x negative, then principal value of cot inverse second quadrant. This implies that minus 1 by root 3 equals to cot theta. 1 by root 3 value in cot theta 30 degree. 1 by root 3 value in cot theta 30 degree. Then we know cot pi minus pi by 6 cot 30 1 by root 3 sorry 60 degree. 1 by root 3 sin 30 cos 30 root 3/2. Cot 1 by root 3 value of 60 degree cot pi minus pi by 3 equals to minus cot pi by 3 equals to minus 1 by root 3. This implies that value of minus 1 by root 3 cot pi minus pi upon 3 equals to cot theta implies that pi minus pi upon 3 equals to cot inverse cot theta implies that 2 pi upon 3 equals to theta, where cot inverse cot theta equals to theta. This implies that principal value of cot inverse minus 1 upon root 3 equals to 2 pi upon 3. X negative, then principal value. In cot inverse, x negative, then principal value of cot inverse x in second quadrant. X positive, then all inverse circular function principal value in first quadrant. X negative, then sine inverse x, tan inverse x, cosec inverse x. Principal value of sine inverse x, principal value of tan inverse x, principal value of cosec inverse x in fourth quadrant minus 90 to 0. If x negative, then principal value of cot inverse x, cos inverse x, sec inverse x in second quadrant. X negative, then principal value of cot in second quadrant. X sec in negative, then principal value of sec in second quadrant. Principal value of tan inverse x, sine inverse x, cosec inverse x in first quadrant, then x positive, fourth quadrant, then x negative. Cos inverse x, cot inverse x and sec inverse x, these principal value, then x positive. If x positive, then first quadrant. If x negative, then second quadrant. प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू के बाद में अब आगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए आप अपनी बुक के। Question number 2. 2 tan inverse, prove that 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 minus tan inverse 1 by 7 equals to pi by 4. We know 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x. Standard result of 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Then LHS equals to 2 tan inverse x. Tan inverse 2x, value of x 1 by 2 upon 1 minus x square, value of x 1 by 2, 1 by 4. LCM 4, 4 minus 1, 2 से 2 cancel out, minus tan inverse 1 upon 7, tan inverse 1 upon 3 by 4 minus tan inverse 1 upon 7 equals to tan inverse 4 upon 3 minus tan inverse 1 upon 7. We know tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. Standard result of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. Use tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Then LHS equals to tan inverse x minus y 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon 7. LCM 21. 1 plus xy 4 upon 3 multiply 1 upon 7. LCM 21. 21 plus 4 28 minus 3 equals to 21 cancel out, tan inverse 28 minus 3 25. 21 plus 4 25 cancel out. Tan inverse 1 in tan inverse value of 1 45 degree. This in tan inverse tan 45, value of tan 45 equals to 1 pi by 4. Tan inverse tan theta equals to theta. Pi by 4, this is RHS. Given 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 minus tan inverse 1 by 7 equals to pi by 4, we know 2 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Then LHS equals to tan inverse. Use this result. 2x, x equals to 1 by 2, 1 minus x square 1 by 2, square of 1 by 2, 1 by 4. LCM 4, 4 minus 1, 2 2 cancel out, 1 1 upon 3 upon 4 minus tan inverse 1 upon 7, 1 upon 3 upon 4, then 4 upon tan inverse 4 upon 3 minus tan inverse 1 upon 7. We know tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. Use this result, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, value of x, value of y, x minus y upon 1 plus xy. LCM 21, LCM 21, 21 plus 4, 4 7 ja 28 minus 3 1 ja 1, 3 1 जा 3, 28 minus 3 25, 21 plus 4 25, 25 cancel 25, 1, 1 means 10 pi by 4, 10 inverse 10 pi by 4. We know 10 pi by 4 equals to 1. 1 in 10, 45 degree. 10 45 equals to 1. 10 inverse 10 theta equals to theta, then equals to pi by 4. This implies that, pi by 4 is RHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. Next question. Question number 3. Tan inverse minus tan inverse 2 upon 3 equals to tan inverse 1 upon 7. Prove that. Tan inverse 17 upon 19 minus tan inverse 2 upon 3 equals to tan inverse 1 upon 7. LHS equals to tan inverse 2 upon 3. We know standard result tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. Use this result. Tan inverse x 17 upon 19 minus 2 upon 3, LCM 57, 1 plus xy, LCM 57, 57 plus 34, 19 3 जा 57, 3 multiply 17, 51 minus 2 multiply 19, 38. 57 cancel out, 57 equals to tan inverse 51 minus 38. 91. 37 जा 91 equals to tan inverse 1 upon 7 equals to RHS, hence proved. Question number 4. Prove that cos inverse 63 upon 65 plus 2 tan inverse 1 upon 5 equals to sin inverse 3 upon 5. Cos inverse 63 upon 65 plus 2 tan inverse 1 upon 5 equals to sin inverse 3 upon 5. Important question. Cos inverse. Second term tan inverse. Final result in term of sin. Then we convert these term in sin. Cos inverse x convert sin inverse x, tan inverse x convert sin inverse x, and apply sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, then result in sin inverse. Prove in sin inverse x की फॉर्म में. हमें इस क्वेश्चन में रिजल्ट प्रूव करना है साइन इनवर्स एक्स की फॉर्म. गिवन है कोस इनवर्स एक्स टर्म प्लस tan inverse x term. Then we convert these term in form of sin inverse x and apply standard result sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. Solution LHS equals to cos inverse plus 2 tan inverse 1 upon 5. We know 2 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Standard result equals to cos inverse x plus tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square cos inverse x plus tan inverse 2 upon 5 multiplied 25 upon 24. 5 5 ja 2 12 cos inverse x 63 upon 65 plus tan inverse 5 upon 12. फर्स्ट टर्म इन cos इनवर्स x की फॉर्म में है, सेकंड टर्म tan इनवर्स x की फॉर्म में है. इन दोनों टर्म्स को हम साइन की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. यूज ट्रायंगल. लेट cos इनवर्स this work rough. Cos inverse x equals to theta to implies that 63 upon 65 equals to cos theta, then right angle triangle theta cos base upon hypotenuse 65 63 to 56 16. Then sin theta equals to 16 upon 65. Theta equals to sin inverse 16 upon 65. Similarly, tan. From equation first we get cos inverse 63 upon 65 equals to sin inverse 16 upon 65. Let tan inverse 5 upon 12 equals to theta 5. This implies that 5 upon 12 equals to tan theta. Right angle triangle 5 tan perpendicular upon base, then hypotenuse 30. Tan converts sin. Sin theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse 5 upon 13 implies that theta equals to sin inverse 5 upon 13. From equation 3 we get tan inverse 5 upon 12 equals to sin inverse 5 upon 13. Cos inverse first 2 from 2 3 4 4 from equation 1 3 and 5 we get cos inverse 63 upon 65 equals to sin inverse. Cos convert in sin inverse, tan convert in sin inverse, क्योंकि result find out in sin inverse equals to sin inverse 16 upon 65 plus sin inverse 5 upon 13. We know sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equals to sin inverse x root 1 minus y square plus y root 1 minus x square equals to sin inverse x root 1 minus plus y root 1 minus x square equals to sin inverse 16 upon 65 multiply 169 144 upon 169 65 minus 16 tan inverse 2 upon 5 5 upon 12 13 5 upon 13 minus plus 65 5 minus 1 4 1 49 multiply 81 upon 65 square this result equals to sin inverse 16 upon 65 multiply 12 upon 30 plus 5 upon 13 multiply 63 upon 65 LCM 13 multiply 65 16 to the 32 3 5 3 1 equals to sine inverse, add 7 0 5 13 multiply 65 13 3 5 equals to sine inverse 3 upon 5. This is RHS. Cos inverse 63 upon 65 plus 2 tan inverse 1 upon 5 equals to sine inverse 3 upon 5. Cos inverse 63 upon 65 plus 2 tan inverse 1 upon 5. We know 2 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Use this standard result. Then plus tan inverse 2x 1 minus x square. Cos inverse 63 upon 65 plus tan inverse 2 upon 5 multiply 25 upon 24, 5 5 ja 25, 12 by 2 ja 24. Cos inverse 63 upon 65 plus tan inverse 5 upon 12. Cos inverse and tan inverse x convert in sin inverse x because RHS in the form of sin inverse. Then these results convert in sin inverse. Process converting. Cos inverse 63 upon 65 equals to theta implies that 63 upon 65 equals to cos theta. Cos theta means base upon hypotenuse. Base hypotenuse perpendicular 16. Sin theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Then theta equals to sin, convert this sin inverse. Theta equals to cos inverse. Theta equals to a. From equation 2 we get cos inverse 63 upon 65 equals to cos 63 upon 65 equals to sin inverse 16 upon 65. Let tan inverse 5 upon 12 equals to 5 implies that 5 upon 12 equals to tan inverse 5. Sin theta equals to 5 upon 13. Tan perpendicular upon base, then hypotenuse 13. Sin theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Theta equals to sin inverse 5 upon 13. From equation 4 we get tan inverse 5 upon 12 equals to sin inverse 5 upon 13. From equation first 3 and 4 cos inverse 63 upon 65 equals to sin inverse 16 upon 65 plus tan inverse 5 upon 12 equals to sin inverse 5 upon 13. We use standard result sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equals to sin inverse x root 1 minus y square plus y root 1 minus x square. X root 1 minus y square plus y root 1 minus x square. Solve this. 144 upon 169, 49 multiply 81 upon 65, 7 multiply 9, 63 upon 65 sin inverse 16 upon 65 multiply 12 upon 13 plus 5 upon 13 multiply 63 upon 65. LCM 13 multiply 65, 16 multiply 12 192 plus 5 multiply 63 315. Add 507 13 divide 507 39. 13 3 ja 39, 13 3 ja 39, 13 5 ja 65, numerator 3 denominator 5, sin inverse 3 upon 5. This is RHS, hence proved. Question number 6. 2 tan inverse x equals to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. We discuss in standard result. Prove this result in important standard result. ये क्वेश्चन अपन पहले प्रूव कर चुके हैं मैथ्यूकॉन्स इंपॉर्टेंट स्टैंडर्ड रिजल्ट में. 2 tan inverse x equals to sin inverse 2 tan inverse x in sin inverse form, 2 tan inverse x in cos inverse form, 2 tan inverse in tan inverse form, 2x upon 1 minus x square. We discuss in previous class this result. Next question, important question, question number 7. Tan inverse root ax upon bc plus tan inverse root bx upon ac plus tan inverse root cx upon ab equals to pi. Where a plus b plus c equals to x given. Prove that. Solution. We know tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z equals to tan inverse x plus y plus z minus x y z upon 1 minus x y plus y z plus zx. Use this result in left hand side. Then LHS equals to tan inverse x root ax upon bc plus root bx upon ac plus z cx upon ab minus xyz ax upon bc multiply bx upon ac multiply cx upon ab. One minus xy root ax upon bc multiply bx upon ac plus root bx upon ac multiply cx upon ab plus root cx upon ab multiply ax upon bc a b b c c a a b c a b c root a b c root a b c LCM bc root a root x b root x plus c root x x minus x root x upon 1 c a p a b c c square a square b square a b c a b c minus x multiply x upon c abx plus bcx plus b square b ac acx x square upon c square x square upon a square x square upon b square x upon b x upon a x upon c then abx plus bcx plus acx equals to tan inverse root x common a plus b plus c minus x root x upon root abc upon abc minus abx bcx acx given a plus b plus c equals to x a plus b plus c equals to x given then put a plus b plus c equals to x tan inverse x root x a plus b plus c equals to x minus x root x upon root abc abc upon abc minus abx minus bcx plus acx x root x minus x root x same value minus same tan inverse 0 multiply this 0 tan inverse 0 tan pi equals to pi we know tan pi equals to 0 then 0 equals to tan pi tan inverse tan theta equals to pi equals to RHS. Important question. Tan inverse Ax upon BC plus tan inverse root Bx upon AC plus tan inverse root Cx upon AB equals to pi. We have A plus B plus C equals to X. We know tan inverse X plus tan inverse Y plus tan inverse Z equals to tan inverse X plus Y plus Z minus XYZ 1 minus XY plus YZ plus ZX. Then LHS equals to tan inverse X plus Y plus Z minus XYZ 1 minus XY plus YZ plus ZX. A cancel out, B cancel out, X square upon C square, X upon C, X square upon A square, X upon A, X upon B. LCM ABC, ABC minus ABX plus BCX plus ACX. LCM root ABC, root BC, root A multiply root A root X plus B root X plus C root X minus X cube root X root X, root ABC. Root X common, A plus B plus C minus X root X upon root ABC. ABC minus ABX plus BCX plus ACX upon ABC. Given A plus B plus equals to X, then put A plus B plus equals to X, X root X minus X root X, X root X minus X root X. This result 0, 0 multiply this 0, tan inverse 0, 0 equals to tan pi. Tan inverse tan pi equals to pi. We know tan inverse tan theta equals to pi. This is RHS, hence proved. Next question discuss in next class. Today, that's all.